As the President has said before, because he has launched other projects or such projects before, the Affordable Housing Program, which is a key plank of the government's agenda, and of course one of the killers of the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, is not only about low-cost and decent housing needs, but also meant to create jobs for thousands of youth and stimulate the economy. So for this project, or in this program, just as the others he has launched, and of course he has said this before, housing parts such as doors, windows, gates, hinges, and all other fittings will be supplied by the local Juakali associations. This will boost the local economy, put money in the pockets of hustlers in Homa Bay County, and of course for the Juakali enterprises, with such programs, they will expand, create jobs and create wealth, and especially nationally for the 3 million people in the Juakali subsector. It is also important here to mention the role of counties in the housing agenda. Homa Bay was the first devolved county government to sign the Affordable Housing Memorandum of Understanding in April 2018. The county has set aside 11.6 acres for the affordable housing project. This support, of course, is critical to achieving the President's agenda and the government's agenda. Already, 39 counties have identified land on which affordable houses will be built. All this, as I said, is in line with the President's commitment to bridge the housing deficit, which currently stands at 2 million units. The target is to do 200,000 units every year. 4 months since the President